When you upload a large file to the internet, like when you upload a YouTube video, it can put so much strain on your internet connection that other people in the house can't get online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid this by limiting your upload speed in Google Chrome, and we'll do this without using any plugins. Let's find out how. This is Dave's Tech Rescue, where I solve your problems with computers, internet and technology. If you have a question you'd like to ask me, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss my next video, where I might be answering your question. Today's question: when I upload my YouTube videos, it snarls up my internet connection. No one else can use the internet until I've finished uploading. How can I limit my upload speed to prevent this happening? I use Google Chrome. Well, with some internet providers, using too much bandwidth can cause a loss of service to other people using the same connection. The answer to this is to limit the speed that your computer can upload things to the internet with. If you're using Google Chrome, there's a way to limit your upload speeds, but it's not obvious. Before we do anything though, we're going to find out what kind of speeds your internet connection can handle, so we're going to run a speed test. Open Chrome and go to this website, speedtest.net. You'll need to agree to the cookies. Now make sure no one else in the house is using the internet. This makes your results as accurate as possible. When you're ready, click Go. Now wait for the speed test to finish. We're interested in the upload speed. My upload speed is 5.73 meg, which isn't too bad. I find that as a rule of thumb, you should limit your upload speeds to about 75% of this maximum. This means that there's enough speed for other people in the house, but you won't be waiting all day for your own file to upload. Of course, you can experiment with this figure yourself. I'm going to go with a limit of 75% of 5.73, which is about 4.3 meg. Now let's set up that limit in Chrome. Open Chrome and go to the page where you're going to do the upload. I'm going to be uploading a video to YouTube. We need to open Chrome's developer tools. So right-click anywhere on the page and click Inspect. When the dev tools appear, click on Network at the top. If you can't see Network, you should find it if you click on the double arrow. Now look at this second menu bar, the one with the red circle at the start. At the end of this bar, you should see Offline, then Online. If you can't see this, drag the dev tools out to make it wider. Now click on the word Online. Here we have some profiles for limiting the network speed. We want to make a new profile, so click Add. Then click Add Custom Profile. Type a name for the profile here. I'm going to type YouTube Upload at Home. Look at these three boxes: Download, Upload and Latency. We want to add a figure to upload, but leave the other two alone. Earlier, I decided to limit my upload speed to 4.3 Mbps. This box is asking for kbps, so I need to multiply my limit by 1000. This gives me 4300 kbps. Now I'm going to press Add, then press the X in the corner to close this screen. Now we can turn on the profile we just made. So click on Online and select YouTube Upload at Home. This profile only applies to the current tab, so anything else you do on the internet will be unaffected. Now you just need to do the upload. Just make sure you keep the dev tools open while you do this. I'm going to select the YouTube video I'm uploading. Now I should find that I can still do other things online while I wait for my video to upload. When the video is uploaded, I can close this tab and nothing is limited now. Hopefully that helped you limit your upload speed and stopped everyone else in the house getting mad every time you upload files. Please let me know in the comments below how you got on, and if this video helped you, please give it the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this from me in future, click on my face below and hit the red subscribe button. And while you're here, why not check out one of my other videos? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.